What's up, guys? We're back here. Let's do some summons. We have 10,000 gems, so we're going to do 20 summons. Hopefully we get a lot of 5-star weapons. We've been having some bad luck and haven't really been rolling good. So come on, guys. Fingers crossed. Ooh, it's starting off with a white aura. Hopefully that means something good. Alright, 3-star, 3-star, 3 stars. And there is several different banners right now. So if you are not liking certain heroes and their weapons, you can go ahead and switch the banners up. Alright, nice, we got a 5-star. Nice! Another 5-star. Nice! Another 5-star. Oh, look at that. That was, what is that, 3 5-stars? Ooh, so good, so good. Our luck has turned around here. 3 5-stars in this one pool. Let's take a look at these weapons here. So, very cool. Vanille's weapon. I don't think we have Vanille's weapon yet. And then over here, what do we have? We have Hope's weapon. We got 2 of those. Wasn't really looking for that, but hey, any 5-star weapon you can sell, or you can always just keep too. I would highly recommend keeping the weapons right now. So let's go one more time here. Our second pool. Oh, we got a silver orb again, so hopefully this means good luck. So thank you guys for watching the videos. Hopefully your pulls are as good as today's pulls have been. Man, lots of 3 stars. It's not looking good, guys. Oh, I have a bad feeling. I think we're almost out of pulls. Alright, yep, we just got 1 5-star in this. I think this is Unistaff. Yeah, alright, cool. So it's Unistaff. So we got all of the banner weapons right now, which is perfect. We don't need any more. Ideally, you do want 4 of said weapon, but you can't get greedy. I mean, especially as a free-to-play player, you cannot get greedy. You're not going to get 4 of all the weapons all the time. It's just almost impossible. You're not going to have enough gems. So we need to save our gems up for future banners. And again, there's also other banners. So let's take a look at the banners real quick here. New banner that just came out. Cloud's back up on the banner with a different weapon. So this is Cloud's second 5-star weapon. Third, if you count the Android only, the Buster Sword promo code. So Cloud definitely has a lot of weapon choices. This is not the same weapon as before. This weapon will boost something else. So you can see it removes enemy buff by unleashing a critical hit with an ability. There's also still the Tifa Squall Zidane banner. And then there still is the All-Star banner. So the All-Star banner, you should do it once because it's going to be a half price. It's going to be 2,500 gems if you haven't already. Make sure to do that before it goes away until 228. Alright guys, good luck. I will talk to you guys later. And yeah, it looks like these banners are going to be coming out every like 3 or 4 days. We're going to have a new banner. Kind of crazy here, guys. So definitely conserve those gems. Wait until you see the heroes that you really, really want. And then summon for them. Good luck, guys. I will talk to you guys later.